Yo, what's going on, guys? Bullet Speed Run episode 3. Let's go. Let's do it. Okay, we got the Kylo strike going crazy. What is that? This is the course, guys. We got the course going crazy for you guys. Thanks for everyone that has the course and actually are watching all the speedrun videos. So this is the bullet portion, pure entertainment. The course is still available for all of you, as we have thousands of people that are now getting better at chess and using this system in particular. So we have 18 modules here. With the 18 modules, they actually do have model games in it, Kylo strike, study schedule, and all the other stuff as well. So put the link to the course under the video so you guys have that. So with that being said, let's get right into work. One last thing too is the PDF. So we have a free PDF for you guys to watch. If you command, or sorry, that's for streaming. If you put comment PDF under the video, I'm going to send you a free cheat sheet here with 9 pages of improvement in it and on it. So let's get to work. Y'all know what it is. Let's do it. We're going from 653 here to like 750. So let's do it. Let's actually, we're just going to do 700. Let's make it even here. We're going to do 700. So we're going to D6 and then knight of 6 probably takes and takes. There it is. Already played. Oh my goodness. Hitting there, hitting there. I'm going to go to 700 because I was playing around with the speedrun account, because I needed to actually grab. Oh my goodness, this is crazy. I needed to actually do some content with the account. So I actually have played a few games. That's why we're at 650. That's why we're at 650. Yeah, there we go. First game. We're at 650 because we just we're supposed to be at 600, but we're gonna keep it going. We're gonna go from 650 to 700. Wait, this is wrong. Here or knight takes? I forgot. Here, knight takes. Check. It's a nasty sequence. Bishop b4, c3. Okay, he didn't play it. I'm going to take this one too. He could go c3, bishop b4. Okay, I'm going to take castles. Check up. Little rook takes. Yeah, next game, let's do it. d6, knight of 6. King's Indian here now. Pre-move it. Pre-move it. Knight g4. Hit the knight. Go knight e5. Bring the knight around to d3. c5, hit the knight. Take those. Take those. So check. Take those. Oh man, that's funny. Okay, bishop takes. Hit the knight. I should have queened, but that's fine. I don't know. Back it up. 95 now. Oh, that was hanging too. Shoot. Bishop g4. Hit the queen. Pin me to. Let's go. Whoa, he tricked me. Buddy was over here moving quick. Hit me with the okie doke. Definitely could have grabbed my queen there. He hit me with the okie doke. And he saw it. He's gonna flag. He moving too slow. He moving real slow here, boys and girls. I'm just like on flag mode. There we go. 685. Keep it moving. D6 on pre-move. Black lion. Black lion. Bring the pieces to the party. Oh, queen side gone. Push. Actually blundered a pawn there, huh? Take on that for. Mates. She played well though. 693. Let's do it. This is probably our last one for this section. And then we got more this week. I'll be dropping a video in the next 2 days for you guys. In the next 2 days, you'll have another one. Do rapid speed run. Or blitz or something like that. I don't remember. Another speed run video coming your way though. Almost made here. Oh, was that mate? F5? Oh my goodness. Way to end it. Nasty. All right, guys. So that's it for today. We had 700. The next one's going to be 7 to 8. So we do full length ones rather than just like 50 points at a time. Very quick one, in and out, pure entertainment. That's all these are for, to see how to use the system in real time as we climb the ladder here, and fast, using it fast, you know, with a bullet. Again, Kylo Strike is live and it's going crazy. Shout out to all of you guys that are part of the community and are getting the Kylo Strike course and are just getting better at chess, man. Really love it. And love it for you guys. Free PDF is below, or basically put PDF in the comments and you'll get the automated message from me with the link to the free PDF. Shout out to you guys. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the community and everything that you do to make this channel grow, man. Subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, looking forward to seeing you guys in the comments and inside of the course as well. The course link is under the video in the description, so you're able to catch it. So first link, just click it, ready to go. And I'll see you guys on the next episode.